Hi, my name's Amy and I make things. In today's video, I'm making a public service announcement. Hang around, let's see what happens. Today, September 16th, is National Sew a Jelly Roll Day. There are a lot of places online and in person who are having jelly roll races and jelly roll sew-alongs. It's all great fun and it's a community building event. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You don't have to have or purchase a jelly roll to play along. These little guys, these pre-made jelly rolls, 2.5-inch strips, coordinated, matching, compact, adorable. They're great. They're also very expensive. It's a very expensive way to buy fabric. And maybe you have one or several, and maybe you don't. If you want to play along with National Sew a Jelly Roll Day, you absolutely do not have to purchase anything new. These are a great marketing tool. They sell fabric, it's convenient, it's easy, everything's there. Open it up and go. End up with fuzz all over you? Fantastic. But you don't need one to play. Do you have a rotary cutter? Do you have a ruler? Do you have fabric? You do. And you are a smart, creative person. Make your own. Jelly rolls are just 2.5-inch strips. Pull out your favorite fabrics, your scraps, cut your 2.5-inch strips, and go to town. Have a great time sewing along with any of the events that are going on today on National Sew a Jelly Roll Day. Do not feel pressured by the marketing that is Jelly Roll and National Sew a Jelly Roll Day. It's a tool and it's a useful one, but you don't have to spend money to play. On the other hand, if you're buying a jelly roll, or if you already have one or several in your stash, let me encourage you to crack that baby open, pull out the fabrics that you don't like, or the duplicates, or the ones that blend with your background too closely. Add in strips from your stash that you've cut to add more personality and more sparkle and make it unique. Sometimes a jelly roll and its super coordinated fabric line is too limiting. It doesn't have enough dynamic interest. Feel free to edit it and change it and amend it to your heart's content and to your artistic vision. Take some out, put some in, make it your own. Most of all, on National Sew a Jelly Roll Day, make the quilt you want to make. Have fun. That's the whole point. If it's not fun, why bother doing? In the description box below, I'm adding lots of links to free patterns for 2.5-inch strips. I hope you enjoy them. This has been your Jelly Roll PSA. Now go forth and have fun. Like, subscribe, share. Don't ever forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.